The waterfall is a little bit smaller. I want to take slate and make it look like stairs. So the rocks have to come out. Well, some of them. It's flowing pretty good. It's been raining today. It's pretty chilly out here. We put in a fence for the dogs so they can be off the leads. It's chilly out here right now. That's Ginger. That one that just came into screen, that one's Bear. Then that one's Ruby. Oop. Ruby, no, no. Leave brother alone. Hi, Bear. Hi, cutie pie. Ginger's the mom. And then her babies. They're getting big. And we can still see the waterfall with the gates and fence. Actually, it's 3 different dog pens or dog kennels. Sorry, it's cold out here. I'm just going to end the video right here. I hope everybody's having a good day. It's cold and I'm going to go back inside now. Bye.